everyone, it's Diane and Andrea, and today we are going to bring you the market update from June 2020 to June 2021. Andrea, what's going on?
Still a very strong market. So units sold up 37%, average sales prices up 14%, only taking 11 days to sell a home on average, and the housing inventory is less than 1 month. So all very strong. New listings for June up 15%. But new pending sales are down 6.5%. And that's the first time we're seeing that in the last few months. So Dan, what are you seeing on the listing side?
Much of the same. The seller's market is still very strong, but maybe not at the frenzied pace as we've seen in the last several months. So a couple of stats that I want to share with you, two, in fact. The first is that we have seen 124 price reductions in the past 7 days. So what that's telling me is that sellers are continuing to be very aggressive in their pricing strategy, but the buyers aren't buying yet. So they're rejecting, the market is rejecting that price. So you're seeing people have to modify their price. The other thing that we're seeing is that there have been 40 withdrawals, cancels, and expireds. So we haven't seen that in quite some time. And that's a secondary showing that the market has rejected some of these prices. The sellers put the house on the market, didn't get what they wanted, so they removed it from the market. So why are these things happening? What's going on?
Well, I think a couple things. We see a little bit of buyer fatigue, people writing a lot of offers, and then they're done and they jumped out. And the second thing, it is vacation season, so we may see some people going away. So we'll see what happens for July and August. But I think overall, it's not as competitive for buyers. It's still a little competitive, but not like it was. So if you were a buyer that was in the market, jumped out, I think it's time to jump back in. And if you're a buyer that were thinking about it, I think it's a good time for you to jump in as well. The rates are still historic lows. The inventory is picking up a tad, and I don't think there is as much competition. So it's a good time for the buyers to get in.
And just like Andrea said before, listings up 15%. So it's a good time to continue to be a seller. If you're still thinking about making the move, now's the time because you're still riding the wave. You don't want to wait a couple more months, and if this trend continues, to be off. So now is a good time for both buyers and sellers. We're happy to say that.
Haven't said that in a while.
In a while. Yes. So thank you so much for tuning in. We hope that that is helpful, and we will see you next time.
All right. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.